This is a what's in the box for Terraforming Mars Colonies, an expansion to Terraforming Mars. And let's take a look at what's inside. So we have a bunch of cards. We'll take a look at this in a second. We have, I guess these are the ship pieces, and these are white tokens for marking deliveries, I think, to each of the outer colonies. Rules, and punch out boards with each of the colonies. Io, Randall, Luna. We have another board for the expansion, and then other colonies, it looks like. And let's take a look at the most important thing with Terraforming Mars, the cards. So this is just a filler card. I guess it says Stronghold Games. And I'm not going to talk about these, but I'm just going to go through them quickly as possible. So if you want to, you can pause and take a look at them. I feel like the art has improved as the game has done better. The Terraforming Mars, I'm assuming when they do the upcoming Legacy Edition, they will use the improved art from these, from all these expansions. But I'd say that one of my biggest complaints was the really bad art. I've got to assume they didn't think this game was going to go over as well as it did, or they would have spent more money on it. A lot of new cards, I assume, are specific with the colonies. Now, one thing with this game is, from the reviews and stuff, it does add a lot of playtime compared to other expansions. So, and is one of the biggest expansions. There's tons of cards with this. And like always, we have a few new corporations, so let's take a look. All right, so there you have it. That is Terraforming Mars Colonies. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.